One thing you wanted to do is select leverage at 200 to 1 and select account size. Put something in there reasonable to what you'll be trading, and subscribe to the newsletter. Now, they don't really send you anything, but you have to select that in order to move on. And then select next. Hit scan. That will find a server. Select next. Here's your account number and password, and it will also send you an email with that. So go ahead and select finish, and you have just established your demo account. Okay, the next thing we want to do is set up MetaTrader so that it can work with the Expert Advisor. We're going to go to Tools, Options, select the Expert Advisors tab here. We'll unselect these. We're going to select the Allow Live Trading and make your screen look just like these. So set yours up so that these are the ones that are selected under the Expert Advisors. Then hit OK. Now we want to make these charts, our chart, a little more user friendly, a little more useful. And so you can play around with these buttons up here. And we expanded a little bit, pulled up some candlesticks. You can change background colors. You can change time frames. Now down here in the Navigator pane, we are going to the Expert Advisors tab, and you should have an ATM Advisor. So we drag and drop that up onto the screen. Accept those defaults that are set in there. Now you're going to see that the ATM is loaded up there with a little smiley face. This is the little ticker, and when there's any ticks that come in, this will spin. It'll move. And this is important because the way MetaTrader is set up is it needs ticks in order to send information back and forth. As you can see right now, we're getting very few ticks. Now some just moved. So we had some information come in. So when the trade manager communicates with the ATM, it has to have ticks in order to trigger the communications. So if things seem to be slow, usually it's because there's no ticks coming in. So here you can select time frames, you can select candlesticks, you can zoom in, zoom out, you can select background colors, chart colors, set it up the way you're comfortable. Those who do training with us will see how we set our charts up, and plus you'll see it in some of the screenshots and things like that we do in training. So now it has been set up to trade with the ATM. Next step will be to set up the trade manager. So we've gone into our program files where the Jade folder and files are set. We've gone into the JadeFX and find the trade manager executable right here. We're going to double click on it to start it, and it defaults to the global settings. So the first thing you have to do is find and tell it where Jade is. So by selecting that 3 button, we're going into the program files. We're going to find Jade, the Jade folder. We're going to double click on that and hit OK. So that ATM now knows where to look for the information it needs to. Save that. To verify that it's working, click on System Information, and it should show that we're connected or linked to that demo account with the balance that we put in there and the demo account number that was assigned to us. So now we know the software is correctly linked. Next step will be to copy and paste in the license key that was emailed to you. Before we can send you the license key, we need the username and password of the account that you've set up. By selecting this registration right here, email, there's your information right there. Copy this and send it to us, and so that we know who you are. With that information, we can then generate the license key and email back to you the license key to activate the trade manager. Okay, so once you've sent that information to us and we've generated the license key and sent it back to you, you'll copy it and paste it right here into the trade manager license key and select save. Now you're ready to trade.